Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. Hope you had a great weekend and welcome to June. Pretty good start to the month. This was a fairly easy day to trade on the NASDAQ futures. We're looking at a 5 minute time frame. And all I did this morning was trade this up on the open range breakout and then took that momentum right back down. Hit my daily targets, called it a day, and thank goodness because after that, it certainly got quite choppy. We did end up a bit higher, at least as of this recording, but certainly would have been pretty messy to hold through that whole section. Let's zoom out though and see what's going on the daily. The past couple of weeks, we've been kind of stuck in this consolidation range. We can, apart from this huge spike up and this huge spike down, if we kind of like narrow these in, we've basically just been bouncing around, between 21,558 and 29,40. However, good news on the horizon because after this huge, massive sell-off that we had since when did that start? February. Okay, we've been cruising down, 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 hit the low point in April and have been, kind of randomly working our way back up. We are now past the 50% range. I'll put a fib on here so I can show you that, what I'm looking at. Okay, so 50 to 61.8 would be here. We've already passed that zone, so looking pretty good, pretty solid. And today was no exception. Nice green candle. I mean, not massive on the range. You can see it's just about exactly at its ATR. The ATR is 379, 380 was the range today, so right on and looking pretty good to end up near the highs on the day. So if we can just keep this momentum going a little bit, we'll be working back up toward these highs. Obviously, the first destination would be around 21,857 and 22,023, and then back up around 22,500-ish. So I'm hoping for some good moves this month. Hope you did well today. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.